Can you guys hear me? Testing this selfie stick out. If it falls, I'm gonna be done. Good morning, everyone. I hope this audio thing really works. Well, it's not. It's the headphone, but it's supposed to be better or something. But we're about to go to the beach. It's Saturday morning. It's raining outside actually, but hopefully it's gonna stop when we get there. The beach is like 2 hours from here, so it shouldn't be a problem. We still gotta pick up everyone and then we're gonna get going. Well, I think we're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna get going. So stay tuned, and I'm using a selfie stick, so let me know what you guys think. I'm here, guys. Wow. Went to pick up some ice. You're probably wondering what I'm doing. We're about to go get something to eat. We got the gang here. Guys, guess where we stopped? This is a road I take to go to work. So it's still cloudy outside. The water view is nice. I never thought I would be walking around here with a selfie stick, because every day I go to work, but never really thought I was gonna stop by. My job is like 30 minutes from here. This selfie sticks makes it really easy to hold. Oh damn, what is this? I walked into a spider web. We got the highway behind us and that bridge with all the locks. Look at all these locks. This flag wasn't here when I came last time. Somebody came and put that. Bridge is amazing. If you guys are from US and if you ever take route 95, it's 295. If you ever take 295, make sure you stop by. There isn't much space, but like there is good view, water over there, and then of course hiking area on the other side. And we're gonna be on our way. We didn't eat breakfast yet. It's already 8 something and we still gotta go to the beach. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, we made a quick stop at McDonald's. I don't know if you guys could see it or not, but we'll go inside right now and keep you updated. Alright, good. Are you guys hungry? I hope so. The sun is finally out. I say this every time and I'm gonna say it again. If you guys know us from our vlogs, whenever we take road trips, we make so many stops. That guy is trying to use the restroom. निकल जाए. We finally made it. We're about to go in and then do some photos and all that for Instagram. We finally made it after like more than 2 hours driving. That's because we made so many stops. Look at this. It's not really sunny, but it's nice outside. He got into an accident yesterday and he lost his glasses today. He's having a bad month. He had to come back from India. The girl that his parents chose didn't work out. She said no.
That's too much. She did say no.
Okay, he said no. What's up, everyone? It might be a little bit windy because we were down there, but now I'm here on this boardwalk. Look at this. It's about to rain. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain. It's already raining. People are leaving. Look at this. You can tell the rain is coming in from this side. It's sunny over there. We should get going. Damn, yo. Woo! Ani niche जा. I hope I have everything on my phone because it just started pouring. Look at this. It's sunny. It was just that one cloud. Like I said, I really hope that I got that clip in my phone because I was just walking normally and it just started pouring. Actually, it said it was gonna rain and I said let's go, but no, nobody listened on time. Everything flooded over here. Oh damn! Some outside lunch. It's not raining. Our baby is sleeping. So we came to another beach, and there are so many casinos over there. Look at all these casinos. But this is the beach right here. It's so empty compared to our last one. We're actually here to go on a boardwalk over there, but we thought we should check out some water before we go. I think this beach is better than the other one for sure. Less people. The view is actually nice over here as well. There aren't many people there aren't many people swimming here because the beach is actually closed right now. We're in a casino. I don't know if I can record here or not. The money keeps coming back. Let me see. They don't want his money.
$16. Hi. 14.
27. 27.
करवा देना.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh,
Let's cash it out. So guys, we want $43 right here.
I was playing for him and him. He
Thank
won
you.
42
and he won 43. That's
I was
$1.
playing. Guys, if you guys ever want to play in a casino, just call me up. They're making me gamble, guys. I don't want to gamble, but they're making me gamble. We were in the casino for a while, and it's dark outside. We're about to go home. We spent most of our time in the casino and did some boardwalk. They're playing some good music over there, but it's a private club, so we can't really go in there. I'm pretty sure we're gonna come here more often. This is better than, oh, someone has a drone. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it, but there is a drone behind me. I'm gonna get a drone one day, for sure. I'm actually gonna get that drone. That one. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. It's called a helicopter. I wanna get that drone. Peace. The car won't start. We're stuck. And this guy, you know, he just wants to mess up the vlog. So we might need to call the cops unless he finds something in this book. There you go. Can I get it? Thank you so much, man. All the babies are sleeping. It's 12 something right now. Gotta get dinner. Domino's. It is.
Calm down.
I know it's. What's up, everyone? You know the day doesn't really end if I'm not driving. I was planning on editing today, but it's already 1 o'clock Saturday. Well, it's Sunday now. I'm going home. Had to drop off someone, and then I guess just go to sleep. No plan after that, but hopefully I wake up early tomorrow and start editing. I posted a lot of Insta stories, so go check those out at official username. I don't even know how many I have, but I have like so many posts. I'm gonna be posting a lot of pictures from today as well, and yeah, I'm like really active on Instagram, so go follow me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. And my day doesn't really end until I see a police car. Look at it, it's 1 o'clock right now, and I saw 2 police cars already. As long as I'm not the one getting pulled over, everything is good. Everything is good so far. Third police car, third police car, third police car. Look, third police car. Damn, man. Still not getting pulled over yet. I'm not speeding, so yeah.